Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my June Boxycharm unboxing and try on. I clearly have no makeup on at the moment, but that's because there's a primer in the box that I want to try, so yeah, let's just get right on into the box. So the theme this month is getaway. I'm assuming because it's summer and a lot of people go on vacation, so that's what the card looks like. I got variation number 1. So I'm gonna start with the skincare products first, since I won't be trying all of it on. So first thing that I got in my box are it's a set of 3 face masks. I'm not sure how you say, I think this is the brand name up there. I don't even know if you can see that. But it's I don't even know how to say that. McQuai? Berry antioxidant sheet mask. It's just to help boost radiance and deeply hydrate for a brighter and more even skin tone complexion. So yeah, you get 3. And it says that it retails for $9, so I don't know if that's like $9 for like 1 sheet mask or if it's $9 for a pack of 3. Because on here it says trio pack, so I'm not really sure if, like I said, if that's the price for 1 or all 3. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Skin & Co. It's their Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. What the bottle looks like. This retails for $25. It also says you can use this as a makeup remover, but this is suitable for all skin types. It's gluten-free, paraben-free. It's got can read the back right there, that little paragraph. So it's free of a lot of really bad chemicals and products that's not good for your skin, and it's also cruelty free, so that's really nice. So I don't think that this is the full-size tube, because I was on their Instagram last night and I saw that they posted a picture of this exact cleanser, and the size of that bottle was 5 point something ounces, and this is 3.38 ounces, so I don't think this is technically full size, but it still is a really decent size, so it would last you a while, because you really only need a little bit of this stuff because it does go a long way. But yeah, it's got lots of antioxidants and skin soothing botanical extracts. It's just supposed to help dry, dull skin. Like I said, it says it's suitable for all skin types. I have dry combination skin, so I'm not sure about oily skin people. It does smell really good. I don't really know how to describe the exact scent, but it does smell really good. It is pretty thick, but once you start massaging it into your skin, it's not thick. It starts to kind of melt down, and it just doesn't feel as thick. I did try this last night because I just kind of wanted to see what it was like, and based off of my first impressions, I like it so far. I have pretty sensitive acne prone skin. As you can see, I have hormonal acne, so there's really nothing I can do about it. But this did not burn or irritate my skin. It didn't strip my skin. It didn't leave my skin feeling tight or anything. My skin felt really, really nourished and hydrated after I used this before I put on my other skincare products. So far, I like it. I will have to obviously keep using it to see if it does irritate my skin or give me more breakouts. So I think in the description, maybe in a couple weeks, I'll update the description box to let you guys know what I think about this. So the next thing that's in my box is from Touch and Soul. It's the No Problem Prime Essence. We got a primer from them, I think back in February, I'm not really sure, but it was their no problem, just like pore filling primer. I really like this primer. So the Touch and Soul Prime Essence primer retails for $23. So this is like, I don't know if you can hear that, it's like really liquidy. This does have calendula flower extract. I'm not sure how you say that, but that's just what the packaging looks like. It's just a little squeezy tube. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Dominique Cosmetics, and it's her lemonade lip gloss. I got the shade Peach Tea, and this retails for $17. Now Dominique, she is a beauty YouTuber here on YouTube, and this is her cosmetic brand. Now I've never really like followed her or anything. I have watched like a couple of her videos in the past. She seems really nice, and I'm pretty excited to try this. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's just really pretty. I really like the pink cap. So the last thing that I got in my box is from Tarte. It's the Tartiest, I don't know how you say that, Pro Glow 3 like face palette, bronzer, blush, and highlight palette. Now this retails for $45. That's like more than double the price of the box, so that's really cool. So this is what the outside of the palette looks like, and it opens up like this, like it has two sides. Oop. I just dug my finger in one of the highlighters, so that's awesome. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like. It's very reflective. It's got two little mirrors on the side. But yeah, it's got two bronzers, two highlights, and two blushes. And as you can see, where I dug my nail into one of the highlighters. Now I was really hoping to get the eyeshadow palette from them, just because I feel like you can never have too many neutral eyeshadow palettes, and it just looked really pretty, and it sucks that that palette is like a Boxycharm exclusive. You can only get it in your box. So that kind of sucks because I really wanted that, but I am happy to have this because it is a really pretty, or it looks like it's a really pretty face palette, and I actually almost bought this like a year ago, so I'm glad that I didn't, because I would have had two if I did. Okay, so I want to start off with trying the primer, which is why I don't have any makeup on. Supposedly this is supposed to, where's the card? This is supposed to tighten up your pores while keeping your skin silky smooth and like hydrated, because it's got flower extracts in it and whatever else is in it. So we'll see. I don't think it'll necessarily fill in your pores very well, because like I said, we got their other primer, the actual pore filling one. I really like this one because I use it on like my T-zone, because that's where I have like the most pores. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, kind of shake it up, get it all mixed together. Don't really smell anything like right out of the tube. Maybe I'll smell it more on my face. So I'm just gonna drop like a little bit on my face. I don't wanna, oh, it's dripping down my chin. I don't know how much to put, like I don't want to put too much, so, oh wow, I think from the way it feels, I definitely think I put too much. It does smell really good, like it's got a slight, not like super floral, but I definitely think it's that calendula, whatever that is. I think that might be a flower, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's just it's not very overpowering, so it does feel really, really silky on my skin. It feels really, really nice. Now this is the only primer I'm gonna use. I didn't use anything else before I put this on. I just, my face was washed and moisturized with my other skincare stuff. So, and I'm gonna use a foundation that I always use so I can tell kind of like how this primer is. So feels really, really nice and like silky on the skin. I'm just trying to really press it in because I feel like I put a little too much. So looking up close at like my problem area with my pores, it's usually like right here, a little bit on my forehead and kind of on my chin. They're not like extremely filled in, like you can still clearly see that they're there, but I feel like it did kind of smooth everything out. So far, just like first impressions, I really like it. My skin feels really, really hydrated and soft, so I'll definitely have to keep testing this out and see like how it wears with makeup on top of it and all that. So I'm just gonna put on my foundation, concealer, and powder, and then I will be back to try out the face palette. Okay, I'm back. I did my eyes off camera. I used the ColourPop Just My Luck palette. I used the shade Chances Are, which is just this really light minty green shade. That's the only shade I used. I just put that all over the lid and blended it in my crease a little bit and then on my lower lash line. And then because this video is so long already, I just went ahead and used the bronzer, blush, and highlight palette off camera. I used, this packaging is so reflective. It's really hard to hold too because I just dropped it. I used the matte bronzer. This bronzer does look a little shimmery, but I used this bronzer, I used this blush, and then I used this highlight, so everything on this side. And since the bronzer did look like warmer than what I usually go for, I did use a light hand, and it doesn't look too dark. It is, like I said, slightly warmer than what I usually use. The bronzer that I've been loving a lot lately is the Milani Silky Matte bronzer, and that's what that looks like. So compared to that right there, as you can see, the Tarte one is definitely like more warmer, but like I said, if you go in with a light hand like I did, it looks really, really nice and pretty, and that blush is really pretty. And I was afraid that this highlight was gonna be maybe a little too dark for my skin, but it's actually really, really pretty and glowy. I only used a little bit, and as you can see, it's very blinding. So I'm really happy I got this. Like I said, I did want the eyeshadow palette, but this is definitely a beautiful like face palette for the summertime, so I am happy to have this in my collection because it does look really pretty. My skin just looks really glowy. So I do want to just quickly mention about the primer. My foundation went on like super smooth. Like my skin looks like way smoother than it usually does. So I definitely really like this so far, and I'm gonna be using it more and testing it out more. So now for the last thing is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Like I said, mine's in the shade Peach Tea. Peach tea sounds like really good right now. It's super hot outside. I'm really hot, like right now I'm sweating. So maybe I'll have some peach tea after I'm done filming this. I know it doesn't smell like peach tea, which would be amazing, but it does have that like vanilla or like cake batter type smell. So I'm just gonna put this on now. I don't have anything on my lips, just some chapstick, and it does have a nice doe-foot applicator, which I like personally for lip gloss. Just a nice sheer pink. It's not like super opaque. It does give your lips a nice like sheer tint to it. This smell is so good. It's making me really hungry. I need to eat when I'm done filming this. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is what the lip gloss looks like. Like I said, it is like a sheer lip gloss, so it's not gonna be like full opaque bold color. I personally like glosses like this that are they give your lips just a nice like sheer tint, because I feel like it's just perfect for the summer and they just feel more comfortable. The ones that are more like really opaque, they tend to be thicker, and this is like really thin and it's not sticky at all. So yeah, that's the color. Just a nice sheer pink, definitely perfect for the summertime. So I can see myself using this a lot, and it just smells so good. Like, that's all I can smell right now. So I'm just gonna go fix my hair and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I fixed my hair. I put in some little gold hoops. If you're wondering where these are from, I will link them in the description, because they came in a set, like with 2 other pairs of earrings. So I will link those in the description if you're curious where they're from and maybe you want to check them out. So yeah, that was everything in my June Boxycharm. I'm sorry that this video is like kind of long. I was feeling a little chatty today. I had a monster before filming this, so yeah, I liked pretty much everything in my box this month, besides the face masks, because I haven't tried one of those yet. But everything else I really liked, so I feel like this month was really good, other than not getting the eyeshadow palette that I wanted. But like I said, the Tarte face palette that I ended up getting is still really pretty, and I feel like it's really good for the summertime. And I really like the way my face makeup looks because of the primer and the face palette. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing and try on. Like I said, I'm sorry that this video is so long. If you stuck around this far, thanks. I try to make my videos not so long, but it's kind of hard. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.